Hello everyone, my name is Kushal Agarwal and I am from Mumbai. I have completed my marketing specialization from Universal Business School. I have choose UBS because of its international program and the international exposure. We are staying here in the residential campus and this is the reason why I have chosen the UBS because the teachers are available for the 24 into 7 time whenever we need it. We can approach them and they are friendly enough to help us. It was my first time stepping outside the house while staying a long time in a hostel. So I was feeling a homesick for the first time, but then I got my true friends over here. They helped me and now I'm not feeling the homesick over here. After that, we had a mentor-mentee session where we enjoyed a lot. The mentor guide us for the internship, for the interview, how to go ahead on our progress report. And we have a 16 clubs in UBS and I'm the part of Ethics and CSR Club and I'm the marketing head of Ethics and CSR Club. Also, we have many experiential learning and I was a part of Try Business and I didn't knew that I will be publishing my case study, but because of help of Asha ma'am, I published the case study and also a research paper. My professors has taught me how to solve the case study in a innovative way. Earlier, I was too bored to solve the case study, but after joining a UBS, my professors has been made me understand how the case study has been actually solved. This is what I have learned in the UBS. I was a part of Smart Project where we entire college went to the nearby villages and helped the local people. There we came to know how the real world is, how the rural areas are. This is what I have learned while staying in UBS. We have an emergency medical room available over here and we have a Sodexo and our teachers are very helpful for us. These are the facilities which has been provided by the UBS. And apart from the studies, we have an amphitheater where we chill out in the evening time, during the night time, and also we have an amphitheater where during this IPL season time we watch IPL over there, and also sometimes or during a Saturday night we watch a movie over there. We have a tuck shop in UBS and also for a refreshment we have a cricket court, tennis court and a football court. So we organized a Fiesta night event where we did a DJ night party and the funds which were collected by the Fiesta night we donated it to the needy people by giving them a blanket. And also we had a 31st party which was organized by the ELC. So these are the things why I love the UBS most, because they take care of us after college also. So much excited to go Paris and study over there because there I will be studying with the students of United States, students of Bangkok and many other countries. As I will be going to partner university to Paris, INSEEC MSc and MBA, I will after graduating from there, I will be working there for a brand and in the future, I will become a future CEO. I would like to thank UBS, my parents and the faculty who supported me, who guided me in the every stage of my life. Thank you UBS for giving me opportunity to study abroad.